All. My name is Shubhan Shailesh Karpe. I am 11 years old, studying in Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhana School, Thane, and I am participating in AKIF Elecute competition by registered form. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. This is a famous quote written by the Missile Man of India, Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th President of India from the year 2002 to 2007. He was a renowned author and an aerospace scientist, an inspiration to millions of people around the world. Also known as the Missile Man of India for his stupendous contribution to ballistic missile and rocket technology. His dream of transforming our nation into a developed country gave birth to Beyond 2020, which is a book written by Dr. Kalam to influence the people of India. In this book, he advocated his action plan to develop India into knowledgeable and economic superpower by 2020. Dr. Kalam focused on 5 concerned areas: education, agriculture, technology, infrastructure, and IT. These are the 5 keys which will open the golden door of prosperity and success. Dr. Kalam insisted on agriculture growth, which is the backbone of Indian economy. As the COVID-19 pandemic has shaken the global economy, disrupted our lives, work, and businesses, it's necessary to prepare for what's next. Vision is especially urgent during these crises. Our nation and our leaders must take up a review mission and suggest methods by which we can accelerate the process so that India can become a developed country with zero poverty, 100% literacy, quality healthcare for all, and employment for every citizen. If we channelize our integrated efforts toward Vision 2020, the economic development of our nation is certain. Pura, an initiative by Dr. Kalam. Dr. Kalam had dreamt of making India a better place by providing education and urban amenities in rural India. That great Indian dream seems to have found a way to speed up Pura 2.0. The improved version has started working with private teams to develop infrastructure in Indian villages, and India's leading scientists said, rural development is an essential need for transforming India into knowledge superpower, and high bandwidth rural connectivity is the minimum requirement to take education and healthcare to the rural areas. Pura was his brainchild, launched in 2004 to provide basic amenities like good roads, drinking water, quality health care services to people in some of the remotest villages. Conclusion: Dr. Kalam, who lived such a beautiful and dignified life, I don't think the world will ever forget Dr. Kalam and the rich messages he left for us in his writings. Jai Hind. Thank you.